here's our house. You're gonna have to put up with my voice because I lost it. So, here's the outside of our house. I actually put up some Christmas decorations. No lights because our roof is really, really tall. Alright. Here is our front door. I'll shut it so you can see it. Our pretty front door. And you come in. Here's our front hall. There's Blake. You come into the front hall and here is our family room. Here's the couch. My mom wanted to see Blake. Sit. Go. Sit. Here's the couch my mom wanted to see. Sorry, it's not really, you can't really see it better, but it's really cute. Right here is our office, which is a huge work in process. Has wood floors, really, really high ceilings. So that's our office. So, this is what you do. You come in, that's our living room. And there's the office. And then you come down this hallway. And here is our kitchen. It's our pantry, our enormous island. Here's just the eating area. There's Bristol eating. This leads to the backyard. And I'll show you our really, really big backyard. Alright, and then you come back in. And those stairs go up there. Here is the family room. And here's the hallway that leads to the master. Mom, I think you should be happy to know that I found a place to put your picture you made me. Here is a little linen closet right there. And just the guest bath. And if you turn over here, it's our teeny, teeny, tiny laundry room. And then that leads out to the garage. And you come this way. Here's our master. Sorry, the windows are all open. And then this is our master bath with my awesome soaker tub that I love. Bathroom. Really, really big master closet. Really huge master closet. The raised sinks, which I really like. Okay, now we'll go upstairs. Let's see. I finally have a banister to decorate. Okay, this is the landing upstairs. And this way is 2 bedrooms. There's a bedroom right there, which is Bristol's room. See it, and then there's a really big master closet, not master, but a really big closet right there. And then this is a linen closet, which is, I don't know why I'm showing you the inside of my linen closet. This one is a bathroom, just a bath with a full bath. And then if you back up, so there's 1 bedroom, linen closet, bathroom, and this is the guest bedroom. Nothing really exciting. Another really big closet right there. Then you come this way and you come back out to the landing, which we really haven't done anything with. We're working on getting a new couch and we're going to put our old one up here. And this is the kids' room. It's a really big room. Long enough for 2 beds, and then it has a weird closet that is actually 1 closet, but it has 2 doors. I don't really understand it. And then over here is the kids' bathroom. I haven't put up the shower curtain because nobody takes a shower in there. And then, if you go this way, this is a little nook area. It's not a bedroom because it doesn't have a door, but it's kind of like an L-shaped room with a little alcove right here. And then it has another linen closet. I'm really happy I have a lot of linen closets in this house. So, that is the second floor, and that is our house. Yeah.